This is not going to be a video of me crying. Not because I don't want to cry. Because there's some things that needs to be said. I've been talking to a lot of people asking me, what about the Palestinian in the past 70 years? And I'm not going to talk about Hamas using the Palestinian citizen as human shield and launching missiles from within the villages. I'm going to say this. Never, ever, in the past 70 years, have Jews walked into villages and murdered women, families, children. Never in the past 70 years have Jews walked into villages, kidnapped women, and raping them while others cheering in the background until their legs were broken and cannot be closed again. Never in the past 70 years have Jews walked into villages, burning babies and kids while alive. Never in the past 70 years have we walked into a party with people celebrating in the name of peace, love, and light, and shot them and executed them like ducks. When you stand with Hamas, you stand with this. This is not a war about a land. This is a war about humanity. Do you stand with raping women? Do you stand with torturing babies? Do you stand with murdering their parents in front of their eyes? Do you stand with burning babies in front of their mothers? Do you stand with this? Because this is what it means when you stand by Hamas. This is not a war about a land. This is a war about humanity. Now you look in the mirror and you tell me, who do you stand with?